Pass to jersey number 11. Isleta pa rin. Isleta jersey number 11 at Apek. Nakay number 14. Pass to jersey number 21. Nakay number 14. 3-point line. No good. Rebound by jersey number 29. Number 29 para may tangan ng bola. Number 29. Good for 2 by jersey number 20. Number 8. Tumira. Good for 2 by 6. Pass to jersey number 20. Rosas. Pass to jersey number 30. Number 30. Pass to jersey number 20. Rosas. Rosas pa rin naghanap ng mapasahan. Pass to jersey number 6. 10 second shot clock. Pass to number 26. Good for 2 by jersey number 26. Number 21. Natapik. Number 21 pa rin. Pass to jersey number 11. Isleta. Isleta for 3. Good for 3 by jersey number 11. Ang score po natin 19-15 in favor of BCS. Nakay jersey number 6. Number 6. Pass to jersey number 26. Pass to jersey number 20. Rosas. Number 20. Pass to jersey number 11. Isleta for 3. Good for 3. Number 6, pass to jersey number 30. Number 30, 3-point line. In and out, rebound by jersey number 26, pass again to number 30. Number 30, nagharap na mapasahan. Nawala ang bola. Martin pa rin ang bola. Pass to jersey number 30, 3-point line. Good for 3. Dribbling the ball. Pass to sa ilalim. Nakay number 8, huli. Nakay na kusa rin niya. Nakay Nino. Nakay number 8 pa rin. Napakatibay. Ano? Saya kanya ba rin? Ano? Nakinaberate pa rin? 15 seconds to play. Naka-jersey number 6 pass to jersey number 20. Number 20 pass to jersey number. Good for 2 by jersey number 30. Naku, nawala ang bola. Naka-number 30. Tumira wala. Rebound by jersey number 21. Espiritu. Number 21 pass to jersey number 20. Number 20 Abraham. Good for 3. Napakisok. 20 seconds remaining. Naka-jersey number 20. Number 20 para may na bola. Pass to jersey number 30. Number 30, 3-point line. No good. Rebound by number 2. 11 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Naka-jersey number 6. Sasagasa. Pass to number 26. Good for 2. 5 seconds to play. Pass na lang madidinig. Naka-jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 11. Inbound by jersey number 20, pass to jersey number 30. Number 30, pass to jersey number 20, 3-point line. No good. Rebound Nino. Nakay number 29, Labing, pass to jersey number 30, 3-point line. Wala pa rin. Rebound Nino. Foul committed by jersey.
Ito yung pinapractice natin, Red. Gumana kayang practice ni Red. Ako nakachamba.
Ang una pumasok. Last throw, jersey number 2, ready jumper.
Sabi ko, chamba nga lang. Apat na lang yan.
Ano, kulang pa silang isa. 180 isa, 160 ay 40, ano na, 66. Talo sila.
Ang pangalawa. Di pa rin wasok. Naka Nino. Naka number 29. Good for 2 by jersey number 29. Ang score natin all 25. Naka jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 7. Pass to number 23. Good for 2 by jersey number 23. Naka jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 30, 3-point line. No good. Sabi ka na bola. May foul. Nakay number 23. Pass to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 6. Pass sa ilalim. Number 23. Ngunit may foul. Pass to jersey number 20. Pass to number 24. Pass sa gilid. Tumira sa malayo. Good for 3.
Go, Ben Mark!
Number 32. Nakay jersey number 7.
Chamba isa.
Number 7, pass to jersey number 18. Pass to number 7 again. Pass to jersey number 6. Wala. Nakay number 23. Wala pa rin. Tapi ka na bola na Nino. Ay, nawala na. Nakay jersey number 24. Number 24, solid. Pass sa ilalim. Na kay number 20. Pass to number 32. Iwalay. Na kay number 20 pa rin. Good for 2 by jersey number 20. Change favor. Lamang na po ang patwatch ng isa. Na kay number 7. Pass sa ilalim. Steal by jersey number 20. Pass to number 24. Number 24, solid. Pass to number 32. Naku po. Foul committed by jersey number. Pass to jersey number 18. Pass to number 23. Foul committed. Tuwason. Pass to jersey number 18. 10-second shot clock na kay jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 3. Good for 3 by jersey number 2. Number 2. Dos lang daw. Na kay number 24. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Copy ka ng bola. Out of bounds. Na kay number 29. Pass to number 32. Pass to number 24. Solid. Pass sa gilid. Na kay number 24. Pass to jersey number 20. 3-point line. Good for 3 by jersey number 20. Ang score po natin 33-31 in favor of Patwatch. Na kay jersey number 6. Number 6 pa rin mutangan na bola. Number 6 laser up. Good for 2 by jersey number 6. Deadlock ating score. Lamang pareho ang naka-green. Na kay jersey number 24. Number 24, Solis. Pass to number 20. Pass to number 24 again. Pass sa gilid. Number 32. Good for 3 by jersey number 32. Torres. Bilis mong baba. Na kay jersey number 7. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Tuwason, ngunit may paulo na kuha. Ang pangalawa, hindi pumasok, rebound by jersey number 2. Pass to number 29, pass to number 24, Solis. Kim Solis, na kay number 24. Pass to jersey number 20. Number 20, naras to jersey number 7, number 20. Pass to jersey number 32, 3-point line, no good. Rebound by jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 6. Number 6 pa rin, pass to jersey number 18, pass to number 23, wala. Copy ka na bola na number 26, pass to jersey number 24. Number 24 para mitang ng bola. Solis, dribbling the ball, laser up. Foul committed by jersey number. Ang una, hindi. Sabre. Number 7 para mitang ng bola. Tuwason. Pass to jersey number 6, wala. Naki number 23 pa rin. Tumira, wala. Number 23, wala. Rebound by jersey number. Naki jersey number 20. Pati sa gilid. Number 24, Solis. Perimeter shot. Good for 2 by jersey number 24. Ang score natin, 39-34 in favor of Patwatch. Na kanino? Na kay jersey number 3, Martin. Pass to jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 20. Rosas, Di Discarte, spin move. Back to the basket. Mega. Ang bonus shot pumasok. Na kay number 20. Number 2 pala. Uroko. Pass to jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 2, Flores. Pass to gilid, na kay jersey number 11. And number 18, pass to jersey number 6. Pass to number 18, wala. Rebound by jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 19. Number 19, pass to jersey number 20. Laser up. Good for 2 by jersey number 20. Rosas. Na kay jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 8. Isleta. Wala. Kanya pa rin. Isleta pa rin. Good for 2 by jersey number 8. Isleta. Na kay jersey number 19. Number 19, pass to number 24, 3-point line. Good for 3 by jersey number 24. Solis. Na kay jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 6, Neri. Neri, pass to Isleta. Pass to jersey number 2. 3 seconds. Na kay number 19. Number 19, pass to number 24. Number 24, 3-point line. Bang! Good for 3 by jersey number 24. Na kay jersey number 2. Number 2, pass to gilid. Number 6, Neri. Good for 2 by jersey number 6. Ang score natin, 50-38 na kay jersey number 20, Rosas. Rosas kukuha ng diskarte. Ala. Na kay jersey number 11. Isleta. Number 11 pa rin. Isleta. Pass sa gilid. Good for 2 by jersey number 8. Ang score natin, 50-40 in favor of Patwat. 10-point lead na kay jersey number 24. Sumobra na sa swerte. Good for 2 by jersey number 26.
Oh! Oy!
Number 11, naghanap
Oy!
na pass to number 2. Steal by jersey number 29. Oh! Pass to jersey number 24. Pass sa gilid, na kay number 20. Rosas, tumira. Good for 2 by jersey number 20. Na kay jersey number 2. 1 minute to play sa ating second quarter. Na kay jersey number 6. Number 6 pa rin may tahan ng bola. Tumira. Wala. Sabi ka na bola na kay Isleta number 8. Good for 2 by jersey number 8. Isleta.
Ay, sige pa.
Na kay number 24. Pass to steal by jersey number 6. Neri. Neri, one-on-one situation. Body contact. Wala. Na kay jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 19. Number 19, pass to number 3, pass to number 20, Rosas for 3, good for 3 by jersey number 20. Rosas, 20 seconds to play, jersey number 1, ay number 11, Isleta, perimeter shot, no good, rebound by jersey number 24, pass to jersey number 19, 10 seconds to play, jersey number 19, number 19, kita-kita tropa. Good for 2 by jersey number 26, basta na lang matitinig. Number 21, pass to gilid. 3 seconds. Naki number 3, Martin. Pass to jersey number 6. Pass to number 21, pass to gilid. Number 21 again. Number 21, number 19. Pass to jersey number 21. Reserve timeout. Ang team BCS na kay jersey number 19, Martin. Martin pa rin may tahan na bola. Tumira. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Number 26, side step. Good for 2 by jersey number 26. Pass to jersey number 6, Mary. Mary pass. Steal by jersey number 6 again. Number 6. Pass to jersey number 26. Natapek ni number 6. Puro 6. Na kay number 26 pa rin. Number 26. Number 30. Natapek na kay number 11. Pass to number 2. Number 2, pasok kay number 18, masyado malakas sa tira. Na kay number 18 pa rin. Number 18. 3-point line. No good. Na kay number 8, good for 2 by jersey number 8. Isleta. Na kay jersey number 6. Na kay number 26, Tumira. Good for 2 by jersey number 26. Number 32, pass to jersey number 26. Pass to jersey number, nakay number 26, side step. Good for 2 by jersey number 26. Nakay number 7, Tuason. Pass to jersey number 11, Isleta. Pass to jersey number 2. 15, second shot clock, jersey number 7, Tuason. Number 7. Pass to jersey number 2. Number 2, 3-point line. Good for 3 by jersey number 2. Lores. Nakay number 32. Pass to jersey number 20. 15 second shot clock. Jersey number 32. Traveling Bailey. Number 7. Pass to number 11. Good for 3 by jersey number 11. Isleta. 15-point lead na kay jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 30. 3-point line. Good for 3 by jersey number 30. Number 2. Pass to jersey number 7. Number 7, Tuason. Pass to jersey number 2. Pass to number 7. Number 7, atake. Nawala ang bola. Kay number 32. Number 32, pass to jersey number 30. Tira ulit sa 3. Wala. Tapi ka ng bola. Out of bounds. Line violation. Naki number 11, 3-point line, no good. Naki number 7. Number 7, Tuason. Pass to jersey number 23. Number 32. Number 32. Tukol mo na raw. Naki number 20, Rosas. 1 minute to play sa ating third quarter. Naki jersey number 32. Number 32. Good for 3 by jersey number 32. Number 7. Basket. Bola na. Shot na kisok. 15 seconds to play. Naka-jersey number 20. Number 20, naras si jersey number 7. Number 20, nakalusot. Kinain ng bumbuha, wala. Naka-jersey number 8. 5 seconds to play. Jersey number 20, Rosas. Pass sa kay number 2. Number 2 by jersey number 2. Naka-jersey number 7. Number 7 setting the play. Pass to number 8. Tatapin ang bola, naka-jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 19. Binalipag kay jersey number 21. Number 21, laser up. Good for 2. Naka-jersey number 11, Isleta. Pass to jersey number 23. Nawala ang bola. Naka-jersey number 19. Number 19. Kay number 2. Good for 2 by jersey number 2. Next game, BM All-Star versus Dragon Fireworks. Jeremy sa Manila. All first team foul. Pinapunta natin yung fireworks na gawin, nakashoot natin. Good for 2 by jersey number 29. Naki number 7, pass to jersey number 11. Number 11. Pass to jersey number 7, Tuason. Naki number 7, Tuason. Pass, 10 second shot clock, number 11, Isleta, no good. Pass, rebound by jersey number 8, Tumira. Good for 2 by jersey number 8, Isleta. Naki number 19, pass to number 29, Lapin, Tumira. Good for 2 by jersey number 2. Basic basketball. Naka-jersey number 11. Number 11, pass to jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 23. No good. Copy ka ng bola na kay number 23 pa rin. Pass to jersey number 11. 3-point line. No good. Off night. Ikaw pa ngayon. Wala. Naka number 6, Neri. Naka number 23. 3 minutes shot. Too strong. Rebound by jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 20, Rosas. Rosas side step. No good. Put back pa rin niya. Good for 2. Utang si Oyo, ayan na. Jeremy, sabi niya ba? Ilalaro si Brad. Naki number 11, pass to jersey number 8. Nawala ang bola. Steal by jersey number 19.
Coach, video!
Oh.
Pass to jersey number 20, Rosas. Good for 3. Naki number 7. Hindi ko nalaro si Pai. Ako ba? Naki number 19. Pass to jersey number 20, Rosas for 3. Good for 3. By jersey number 20. Time out.
Bir.
Tangin sa Manyaw. Number 3. Pass to jersey number 2. Ano? Rocco, bakit ba? Wala pinanood niya. Diego. Jeremy. Naki number 20, Rosas. Pass to jersey number 21. Robbie Lane violation. Naki number 8, good for 2 by jersey number 8. Naki number 21. Number 21, pass to jersey number 8. Naki number 21, pass to jersey number 30. Naki number Casimiro. Naki jersey number 18. Good for 2 by jersey number 3. Nice. Number 3, Martin. Pass to jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 20. 10 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 19. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 3. 3. Good for 2 by jersey number 3. Mackenzie Go. Naka jersey number 18. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 20. Number 3 pala. Wala. Naka number 20. Pass to jersey number 21. Ano yun? Mukha mo na yan. Naka jersey number 8.
Oh, naka-redel ah.
Number 8. Nako. Nakakanina. Naki number 2. Pass to number 8. Uy, gawa sa buhos. Hindi na tinag. Kumakang bumper. Naki jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 18. Number 18. 3-point line. Wala. Naki jersey number 9. Pass to number 6. 3-point line. No good. Rebound by jersey number 8. Number 8 is Leta. Number 8, Tatapek. Naki jersey number 19. Out of Naki jersey number 6. Boom. Naki jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 6, Mary. Arto, pagsamo, wala. Isa lang. Naki jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 20, Rosas. Pass to number 3. Good for 2 by jersey number 3. Number 3 and number 6. No good. Naki number 30. Pass to jersey number 20, Rosas. Wala. Naki number 8. Steal by jersey number 20. Wala. Naki nino. Naki number 6. Out of. Oh, press. Good for 2 by jersey number 3. Steal. Naki number 19. Martin. Naki number 20, Rosas. Pass to number 3. Super 2 by jersey number 3, Martin. Ang score natin, 106-71. Super 2 by jersey number 3. Sabrep, change 5. Pagpulutong. Naki number 18. Last 2 minutes sa ating last and final quarter. Naki jersey number 3. Traveling violation, 6 foot landing. Naki jersey number 2. Number 2. Antigil. Naki number 24. Solis. Number 24, dribbling the ball. Nakay Nino. Nakay number 2. 3-point line. No good. Rebound by jersey number 6, Nery. Nery pa rin. Jersey number 6. Court to court. Wala. Nakay number 2. Pass to jersey number 24. Solis. Laser up. Good for 2 by jersey number 24. Nakay number 8, 3-point line, wala. Nakay number 8, Isleta. Good for 2 by jersey number 8. Exactly 1 minute sa ating last and final quarter. Nakay jersey number 29. Wala. Nakay number 2. Pass to number 3. Number 3, perimeter shot. Good for 2. Nakay jersey number 29. 3-point line. No good. Rebound by jersey number 8. Steal by jersey number 2. Pass to number 29, Lapid. Pass sa gilid. Number 26. Good for 3 by jersey number 26. Punet. 20 seconds to play. Jersey number 3. Ano?
Galit na.
10 seconds na kay jersey number 24. 3-point line. Good for 3 by jersey number 24. Massacre. End of the game. Ating final score. 114-77.